Email marketing software is used to distribute email newsletters, marketing materials, announcements, and other relevant data to consumers or specific targeted audiences. This is typically done by the business owner in order to raise brand awareness and promote the company's products or services via email marketing campaigns, because they use the software to send emails in their business. The appropriate email affiliate program will be one that the business owner can completely endorse. Here are best email marketing affiliate programs that pay highest in 2022. 1. Constant Contact. Refer your email marketing list and earn money from your recommendations. When it comes to maintaining in touch with your email list, Constant Contact is a strong email marketing service. You get $5 for every trial sign-up and an additional $105 when they become a paying member. 2. Moosend. With its lifetime recurring revenue program, Muzen is one of the top-rated affiliate programs that can help you get one step closer to passive income. Affiliate partners, in particular, earn a lifetime recurring commission of 30% on every monthly or pay-as-you-go plan purchased by your referrals. As a result, you continue to profit as long as your contacts stay paying clients. But hold on. It only gets better. You earn an additional commission if your contacts decide to upgrade their package. The more people upgrade, the higher your commissions will be. Furthermore, even if your contacts choose the free trial, you will receive your commission when they upgrade. 3. Strippos. Strippo's affiliate partners get a 25% recurring commission on every payment made by their referral. This essentially means that you can earn between $3 and $55 per month for one referred account, $30 to $550 for 10 accounts, and so on. Strippo offers a generous 120-day cookie window in which to complete the deal and earn a commission. Payouts are processed monthly, and there is a $100 minimum threshold that you must meet in order to get paid. Strippo only sends commissions through PayPal. 4. Getresponse. Getresponse's affiliate program offers two options for bloggers, e-commerce vendors, and small companies looking to supplement their revenue. You can pick between a one-time $100 commission and a recurring 33% commission when selling a premium account. So, the first is for people who want to get paid soon, whilst the later is for people who desire a passive income stream. Getresponse provides a lengthy 120-day cookie to help you close the sale. Furthermore, once you join the program, you will have access to free promotional resources such as videos, banners, and sales copy that you can use to help your affiliate efforts. 5. Convertkit. Convertkit allows anyone, even if they are not clients, to join their affiliate email marketing network. The program is hosted on LinkMink's platform, and enrollment is simple. According to the company, all you need is a grasp of Convertkit's impressive capabilities and an interested audience in need of an email marketing solution. In terms of commissions, the program offers 30% recurring commissions on each sale for the duration of the referrals account being active. So, with one referred account, you can start earning $8.70 each month. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.